So we're having our breakfast of champions this morning before going to our first tour. Well, Ivan and I's first tour because McKenna got a really good one yesterday with my father. We're just having some croissants and muesli and some smoothies before we go line up to meet the tour, which is to go see the glaciers. Our meeting time's at 6:30 in the morning. We're going to go over there, see what we have to do, and then we're going to get on a boat so we can go in deeper in Endicott Arms to go see the glaciers. See, I would have ordered the wrong thing. I didn't know you wanted chocolate this morning. I was going to go for a chocolate donut and a chocolate muffin.
We did not research what we were about to experience. We really had no idea that our massive cruise ship was not docked but parked itself right in the middle of a fjord. After realizing we had disembarked into a smaller boat, we realized this was going to be a very special journey. The sight of our massive cruise ship getting smaller and smaller really put into perspective the majestic and beauty of Endicott Arm. Our journey will take us through this breathtaking and narrow fjord to our final and very special destination today. That was Glacier. No words can describe what we are about to experience.
The point until the captain and crew have eyes. In case of a fire, we do have extinguishers located all throughout the vessel.
The anticipation for what's around the corner is so excited that people are out here looking and waiting to see what's going to happen. Every single corner, every single perspective. It's so exciting.
It's lovely. I just love that area. You can kind of start to see like locations in the area that are on the picture. So it'll be interesting how far we can get back in there.
Just the anticipation of every corner gets you excited about what's next. What a beautiful place.
Never thought I'd be doing this. Super excited over here.
I've seen Google pictures about it, never thought I'd be here. John Glacier, I've seen pictures about it, never thought that I was going to be here, and I didn't think we're going to see this glacier. I thought we were just going to see some cool big glaciers and that's it. It looks very big, very intimidating.
It's impressive. It's kind of one of those things that you have to go do once in your lifetime. It's a wonder of the world for us. Gotta come check it out once in your lifetime.
Alright, so this is what we came here to Alaska to see. What do you guys feel?
It's impressive. It's absolutely impressive. Breathtaking.
It's scary because when the wind comes through, there's like this weird whistling sound almost, and it's really like
And then the scary sound of the ice breaking off.
Yeah.
And it just massive crackling sound into the wall. water.
There's one that happened right now where it's like, and everybody was like, huh? Even though it didn't fall. It might.
We're waiting for a piece of ice to fall, but nothing happened. It's still breathtaking. I don't think there's any words to describe what this experience has shown us.
Breathtaking and ominous.
Ominous.
Yeah, ominous. It sounds amazing. Like you hear, and then you hear. It sounds like my door in the garage. It sounds like the garage door in our house. It's like.
Make it and pass it.
I know. Don't stick your tongue on it. Oh, that's a light pole.
She's holding ice.
And like there's already
First.
some DNA, some hair in there. Overall experience, this is honestly one of the best tours I've ever been on, definitely for coming out here and seeing the glaciers.
Yeah. Except for until you hit into one of them. I feel like our captain here that's driving the boat enjoys running into ice. Little pieces, obviously. He's avoiding the big ones, but it's like bang, 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 bang.
He enjoys it. It's like glacier bumper cars.
No, it's actually kind of like satisfying. It's like when you're crunching on ice until the boat starts sinking.
It's like ding, ding.
It's called Wedding Cake Falls. But, fun fact, that definitely did not come on the radio just a second ago. It's not a waterfall, it's a cascade. Now the difference between waterfall and cascade is a waterfall has a permanent source of water, while a cascade is more because of the snow melt on the mountains. Fun fact with McKenna.
This is the excitement because there's a hump back well right back there. So they actually stopped the boat. It's right next to the shore, so it's a beautiful shot. I'll see McKenna's with the crowd back there. Hopefully she gets us some good video. But yeah, everyone gets very excited. Right. It's incredibly close to the shore. It's actually quite crazy. They were explaining that they learn to get closer to the shore to push the fish, and that's how they can actually make it easy for them to hunt them or eat them. Glacier water.
Eat it. We let it melt, we'll try a little bit.
Waterfall.
I'm gonna try a million-year-old ice because we can't estimate it. Tastes like ice, but fresh. Tastes fresher. Can I have that? Bitch! Oh my god, you just sneezed all over my
I know,
skin.
right?
Sorry. I ain't having that.
These are this one here.
Fine, I'll eat it. That's only in my own.
Goodbye, seals. Goodbye. Goodbye, seals. So Poppy's expecting me to speak 24/7 on the camera and just come up with random facts that I just have in my head. And you know, it doesn't work like that. Now, some people will probably relate to me. You know, there's a certain spark, like a ting, ting every time, you know?
Like an artist.
Yeah, like an artist. It comes like at the perfect time. So think of Beethoven. He didn't think of a song right away. He didn't just go bum 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 bum. No, he had multiple times. Like he had months or years or whatever. He had time to think of it, and then when he felt ready, he went for it. Same as Bob Ross. He doesn't make paintings out of nowhere. He's just like, well, I mean, kind of, but he's not like, no, he doesn't just splatter some paint. There's a process to making the painting. So, you know, and then he adds little touches that make it sound even better or look even better. So that's how I feel.
Thank you for watching our channel. And please subscribe, leave a comment below, and ring the bell for our next video notification. We'll see you next weekend, guys.